Hello metalworkers who always look for a cordless machine that will stand up to the most demanding applications. Here I have just the right machine for you. Our new top model in the cordless range, a power machine that you need. It has as much power as a corded 1500 watt angle grinder and is a real powerhouse. But where does this great performance come from? We have given the angle grinder really strong magnets and thicker copper wires and optimized the airflow once again. In addition to the great performance, the grinder is also extremely handy, as you can see here. It fits perfectly in your hand. Of course, we also have equipped our top models with top features. All models have a rotating battery foot and a dust filter. I would especially like to mention the comprehensive safety equipment. The grinder has super fast brakes and deadman switch, the best anti-kickback system available on the market, which is created by the combination of our mechanical clutch and electronic safety shutdown, and of course a very good vibration reduction. Furthermore, the deadman switch machines are also equipped to be used with our drop security system, as you can see it here, which protects your machine and battery against a fall from great height. I could tell you a lot more about the advantages of this machine, but try it out for yourself and be inspired.